8 Tips Effective Saving Money. Financial planning is needed in building good and correct saving habits. Launching from Bank of America on Friday, June 24, 2022, here are tips that you can apply to achieve your saving goals, both for the short and long term. 1. Record expenses. The first step to starting to save is figuring out how much money you have spent. Record all your expenses, from daily necessities, such as food to regular monthly bills. Record all your financial expenses in the easiest way, for example as simple as using a pencil and paper, or using a spreadsheet, or even using an expense tracking application available on the Play Store or App Store. After you know the information on each expense, then you can then sort them by category and then add them up. Also check your credit card and bank statement to make sure you have entered all expenses correctly. 2. Insert a savings plan. Once you know what you have spent in a month, you can start making a budget. The budget you make should show how much you spend and your income. That way, you can plan how much money to spend and of course to limit excessive spending. Be sure to account for expenses on a regular basis. But, keep in mind that not everything has to be done every month, such as car maintenance. Finally, plan how much you save. The amount can be 15 to 20% of your income. Also include a real saving target so you can save comfortably.
3. Reduce expense.
If you can't save as much as you'd like, it may be time to cut back on spending. Identify things that are felt to be reduced by looking for other alternatives. Here are some ideas for reducing expenses. Search for free activities. To find free or cheap entertainment, you can register for events created by a community. Review recurring billing. Cancel subscriptions and memberships you don't use, especially if the service needs to be auto-renewed. Check the cost of eating out vs cooking at home. You can get used to cooking yourself at home. If you want to eat out, of course, look for a restaurant that provides promos. Wait before you buy. Sometimes we can't tell the difference between wants and needs when confronted with an item. 4. Set a savings goal. One of the best ways to save money is to have a goal. Start thinking about what your real goal is to save. Is it for the short term of 1 to 3 years, or long term, 4 years or more? Then estimate how much money you will need and how long it will take to save to meet that target. Short-term general goals: emergency fund, 3 to 9 months of living expenses, vacation or car down payment. Long-term general purpose: a down payment for your home or child's renovation, education or retirement project. 5. Determine financial priorities. After knowing your expenses and income, goals will indirectly follow how you allocate savings. For example, if you know you will need to replace your car in the near future, you can start setting aside money to buy a car now. Be sure to keep long-term goals in mind, such as preparing for retirement. 6. Choose the right product. There are many savings and investment accounts suitable for both short and long-term goals. You can choose it according to your need. Look carefully at all options and consider the minimum balance, fees, interest rate, risk, and how quickly you need the money. Here are the options. Products for short-term goals. A savings account. Certificates of deposit, which lock your money for a certain period of time at a rate usually higher than a savings account. Products for long-term goals. If you're saving for retirement or your child's education, consider pension fund savings. Securities, such as stocks or mutual funds. 7. Auto debit system. Almost all banks offer automatic transfers between checking and savings accounts. You can choose when, how much, and to which account to transfer the money or even divide the direct deposit, so that every salary, a portion of it will be deducted and go directly to your savings account. 8. Pay attention to the nominal savings. Review your budget and check the progress of the finances you save every month. That will help you not only stick to your personal savings plan, but also identify and fix a problem. Understanding how to save money can certainly inspire you to choose an effective strategy to reach your goals faster. Set small, achievable short-term goals for something fun that goes beyond your monthly budget, like buying a new smartphone or a vacation gift. Achieving smaller goals and enjoying the rewards you've saved can give you a psychological boost, make savings pay off faster and strengthen habits. Happy saving!